Welcome, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to hear my trading and market updates. This is Uncle Frank, and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the presentation, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I have new information to share. So now let's get into the latest updates. Well, there you go, guys. We had our big earnings call. I thought the company performed pretty well in spite of it being a very difficult quarter and having a wildly overpaid executive team. The stock closed completely flat today at $3.19. Then after hours, we dropped 12.5 cents or 3.92%. If you ask me, I would have tried to release the Billie Eilish news as a surprise at the end of the earnings call. Instead, Adam tweeted about it yesterday, and the company made no official press release. I didn't expect the stock to rally today or after hours, because ever since the ape was converted into AMC, we transferred all our power to Adam, who will never, ever deliberately hurt the interests of Wall Street, and for a very good reason. He is Wall Street. He is not a Hollywood or theater executive. He is a distressed credit private equity executive, as much a part of Wall Street as Kenny Griffin will ever be. Do you know what the number one rule for distressed credit executives is? It's simple. If everything works out for the company, I got paid. If things don't work out for the company, I got paid. That's a very different attitude than an Elon Musk, for example. Have you ever noticed Adam's bio on Twitter doesn't mention Apollo? After all, he was there 9 years just before running AMC. Don't you find it strange it's omitted? There's a good reason for that. But make no mistake, if Adam wanted the stock up, he could simply say, I'm done diluting for 2024 unless there's an emergency. But he never will. He will hold potential dilution over the head of the stock, and that's precisely why we are down nearly 94% year over year, and Cinemark has a $23 price target. I listened to the entire presentation. Not one comment or remark about the stock or our market cap being down nearly 94% year over year, or what forces on Wall Street might be behind such a serious decline. Seeking Alpha immediately pointed out that AMC's cash position slipped by 30% from Q4. So Adam already has an excuse to dilute again should the stock begin to advance and escape the control of our enemies. The truth is, AMC could be run by a normal CPA with experience working with publicly traded companies. Our business at its core is pretty simple. Whatever Hollywood or content creators give us, we distribute through our network of theaters. Not rocket science, really. A hell of a lot easier than what Elon Musk has to contend with. But we have a distressed credit, private equity con man running our firm, who's effed up everything he touches. He effed up the Dalian Wanda exit, which got us sued. He effed up when he bought Carmike. He effed up when we invested $250 million in green projectors, while we were over $5 billion in debt ourselves and in panic mode. He effed up when he blew $25 million on in-theater commercials instead of media-wide commercials promoting the A-list program. He effed up when he invested in a bankrupt gold mine penny stock to bail out 5 short sellers of AMC, while at the exact same time got himself embroiled in a catfish and blackmail scandal. He effed up when he gave away the ape instead of selling and pricing it as a normal convertible preferred share offering. He effed up when he reverse split the stock for no good reason other than Wall Street needed him to. He effed up when he mishandled the AMC on-demand platform and then pawned it off to Voodoo. He effed up when he invested $1 billion in Saudi Arabia and then bailed out as it became successful. He effed up every time he killed our stock rallies with poorly timed bankruptcy or dilution tweets. He effed up when he gave Antara millions of ape at an extreme discount in an effort to sway a shareholder vote. He effed up when he doubled his pay plan during the pandemic, when our theaters were closed part of the year and we were being starved for releases by Hollywood. Nothing has changed for Uncle Frank. It will not be a mysterious magic dividend, a regulatory crackdown, or even if AMC outperforms pre-pandemic 2019, that will deliver us from this trade in one piece. It will be only a black or white swan event. It's just one man's opinion, and I'm entitled to it. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.